Today we're going to be mounting the 22x10 Fuel Off-Road Flux Wheel with the platinum bronze finish. We wanted to go with the bronze finish to stay true to some of the Toyota heritage. We're going to be wrapping them in 33 1250 Mickey Thompson Baja Boss ATs. We went with Mickey's just to do something a little bit different. We usually do the Nittos on our builds, but we're excited to have one of these on. We also paired it up with a set of Gorilla lugs. They're actually switched the thread pitch to 14x15, and you always want to make sure you get the extended threads because these wheels are lug centric. We're going to get them all mounted up and balanced, throw them on the truck, see how they fit. You can see there's quite a difference between the two. Both height. We only went with a 33. We could go up to 35s with the right offset. We wanted to make it a little bit wider, and the general rule is if you go wider, don't go as tall. You can see there's a huge difference in width as well as height, as well as tread. Very aggressive, all-terrain tread. Let's go ahead and throw them on the truck, see what they look like. All right, so we've got the wheels and tires on the truck. Now this is at stock height. We haven't done anything to the suspension. Again, these are 33 1250s on 22 10 wides, negative 18s. And to answer the age-old question, does it rub? Yes, a lot. It actually hits the front bumper and this rear mud flap. We're gonna have to do something about that. Not too worried about it right now, but for the overall appearance and look, I think it came out pretty good. Exactly what we were looking for. We wanted it to be wide. It's about 3 to 4 inches past the wheel well. You can offset that with some fender flares if you wanted to, but I don't think we're gonna do that. I think we're just gonna leave it wide. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. Take a look. Go and turn the wheel. Stop. You can see it hits this mud flap right there in the corner pretty good. Not a big deal. Toyota set this truck up in a way that you can remove that and some of the area behind it with just a couple bolts and get a little bit extra clearance. If we left it stock, there's a chance we'd probably have to trim this fender a little bit, but I think we're gonna lift it, so it's not gonna be a big deal. So if you look up towards the front, also bumps that front bumper just a little bit. You know, you could obviously cut that a little bit, but again, we're going to lift it so we don't have to do that. I think we're just going to leave it the way it is right now and go ahead and do the lift.